Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a forward edge battery. Before starting, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, to prevent injury. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. Identifying the negative terminal first, usually marked with a minus sign, is your crucial initial step for a safe removal process. Now let's disconnect the battery cables. Using a wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal clamp. Once loose, gently remove the negative cable and ensure it is secured away from the battery to prevent accidental contact. Next, repeat these precise steps for the positive terminal, which is clearly marked with a plus sign. Always disconnect the negative cable first for safety. With the cables disconnected, it's time to address the battery hold down. Locate the clamp or strap designed to secure the battery firmly in its tray. Depending on your vehicle, this might require a socket wrench or another specific tool. Carefully loosen and then completely remove all components of the hold-down mechanism. This step ensures the battery is free and ready for removal from its position. Finally, it's time to remove the battery. Carefully lift the old battery straight up and out of the engine bay. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, typically weighing between 30 and 40 pounds, so lift with your legs, not your back. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to thoroughly clean the battery tray and terminals. This ensures a clean connection and proper fit for your replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.